All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, welcome. I'm excited to be here with you today. If you're checking out this particular presentation live, or if you are checking out the recording, I want to welcome you to this epic live overview. My name is Cedric Harris, and I'm going to be your host here this evening. As we get started, I want to ask a quick favor of everyone that is here today. If you can maybe eliminate any distractions right now, your automatic income reducer, AKA your television, your instant messaging, your Apple iPhone 4, 5, 16, 62, your BlackBerry, your Blueberry, and or your Cranberry, anything that could be distracting you, and just focus, as this information could truly change the way you do business. Now, as we start off this presentation, I want to start off by asking you three simple questions. Question number one will be, are you frustrated being stuck at home with no real way to profit? I want you to think about the 20, 30 plus million people just in America alone that have recently lost their jobs due to the pandemic, and so many people looking for a way to profit from the comfort of their home. Question number two, do you finally want to succeed in a home-based business even if you can't recruit? I want you to think about all the businesses that are out there inside of the direct selling arena, and majority of them, if not 99.9% of them, you have to either gather customers, you have to either gather distributors, and you have to teach those distributors how to gather customers and distributors. What about having an opportunity that you can make money even if you couldn't recruit? And question number three, are you looking for a way to grow your money within a skill set, ladies and gentlemen, that is purely real? If you've answered yes to any of those particular three questions, we want to welcome you, ladies and gentlemen, to the EPIC opportunity. Now, what does EPIC stand for? EPIC stands for Exceptional People and Incredible Compensation. Now, who are we as a company? First of all, EPIC is a global company that provides the environment for people of all different backgrounds to learn the lifelong skill of Forex trading. Now, our executive team has well over 100 plus years of successful business experience inside of the direct selling arena. We have industry leading Forex traders and trainers that are assisting within this skill set that you're going to be able to learn here. And the company is 100% debt free. Now, a lot of people tend to say, okay, that sounds great, but what is Forex? Forex is actually the largest, most liquid market in the world. This is a market where over $6 trillion per day is actually being traded. $6 trillion, ladies and gentlemen. I want to put that into perspective. A mentor of mine taught me a long time ago, if you really want to make a significant amount of money, you find a lane that people are already spending money in, and you take a toll booth and you stick it in that lane. Well, $6 trillion a day, ladies and gentlemen, how would you like to have a toll booth in a lane like that? Now, all Forex is the act of buying and selling currencies. This is used every single day by insurance companies, by central banks, by institutional investors, people who have learned this skill set. Now, here at EPIC, this is a skill set that we're looking to teach you, but we also want to break it down a little bit clearer for a lot of people, because a lot of people say, Forex, I still don't get it. Let's say that you're in the United States of America right now, and you take a trip over to Europe. If you take a trip over to Europe, ladies and gentlemen, what's going to happen is that you're going to trade your dollar for the euro. Okay, you're going to trade your dollar for the euro. Let's say in this particular example, you traveled back to America now, and you have $200 in euro. Well, as we all know, when you get to any particular airport, there's always an exchange place there. So now that you've exchanged your dollars for euros, you're back in the United States of America right now, and you need to convert that money right back over. Well, in this particular example, let's say that the exchange rate is $1.30. So what does that mean to you in English? For 200 euros, that's actually $260. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is happening 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. You might trade that money in on Monday, but the value of it might have changed on Tuesday. It might have changed on Wednesday. It might have changed on Thursday. So within the actual Forex market, instead of you having to fly all over the world to do this, this is happening every single day, 5 days a week, 24 hours a day, $6 trillion per day being traded within this specific market. Now, let me go ahead and throw in a quick disclaimer here for everybody. Trading foreign exchange on margin carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results, and the higher degree of leverage can work against you as well as work for you. Now let's think about this little thing that you have in your pocket called a smartphone. We all have a smartphone right now. The average smartphone is about 70 bucks a month. Now I know some of you are looking at that saying, well, not in my household, it's like 200 bucks a month. I know you got a couple of people on your plan, right? But the whole point is this: you're paying $700 a month for a cell phone, about $840 every single year. Instead of your phone costing you money, why not learn to trade and let your phone actually start making you money? So how do we actually do that here at Epic? Well, let's share with you a few of the services that we actually offer. First things first, ladies and gentlemen, you're gonna have the ability to receive live signals from proven 6- and 7-figure traders that are issuing out these live signals that you can be at work, you can be fishing, you can be on a boat, you can be at lunch, you can be at dinner, you can be anywhere in the world. You receive that live signal and you can execute that live signal directly from your cell phone. The next benefit that you have is being able to tap right into our university. Maybe you want to earn while you're learning, right? Maybe you want to take this step by step. So you have a 2-week syllabus that you're able to tap into. You're able to tap into our full-blown curriculum, and you can do this at your own pace, whether you want to take 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, or 6 months to learn this particular skill set. The next thing that you're going to have the ability to do is tap into live sessions. So 3 times per day, there are live sessions that you're able to hang out over the shoulders of these proven 6- and 7-figure traders and follow their trades. Now I want to put this into perspective. I kind of related to learning how to drive a stick shift. You know, in the beginning, when you learn how to drive a stick shift, maybe 10, 15, 20 years ago, maybe you didn't know how to drive the car. Maybe the car was stalling a little bit. And then somebody beside you was telling you to ease in first gear, ease in second gear, ease in third gear. That's exactly what's happening within these live sessions, ladies and gentlemen. You're able to hang over the shoulders while these traders are trading, and you can choose to execute the same trades that they do totally by choice. And we're doing this in a very, very fun and interactive way at the same time. So you have access to the university right now. You have access to the curriculum right now. You have access to these live trading sessions every single day, 3 times per day, 5 days per week. Now, I learned a long time ago that residual income, ladies and gentlemen, is the best form of income. The 2 sexiest words in a dictionary: residual income. So I want you to think about this for a second. Do you have residual bills like rent, mortgage, a car note, insurance, groceries, cell phone, power bill? Aren't those things residual? I mean, they show up every single month, month in, month out, month in, month out. Well, since you have residual bills, why not have residual income at the same time? I want you to think about people that are in the typical direct selling arena. If we use an example of real estate agents and maybe, car brokers or car salesmen for an example here. A real estate agent has to go out and sell a home over and over and over. A car salesperson has to go out and sell a car over and over and over. It doesn't matter how many houses you sold last month. Doesn't matter how many mortgages you sold last month. Doesn't matter how many cars you sold last month. That is last month's money. You have to do it again each and every month. There's no residual component attached to that. See, what we're talking about, ladies and gentlemen, is working smarter, not harder. We're simply talking about working smarter, not harder. Being able to do something one time and getting paid for it over and over and over again. That's the beauty of residual. So let's talk about how to build an epic business. Inside of this opportunity, you have 2 lanes that you are able to travel down. The first lane is the lane in the previous slides, learning the skill set of Forex trading. Maybe that's all you want to do. You want to go through our university. You want to learn this valuable skill set that you can literally use anywhere in the world, something that no one can ever take away from you, something that's completely portable. That's one side of the equation here. So you can make money inside of Epic without ever having to build a team of people if you choose. Now we're going to talk about the team building side. Now, before we get into that, I got to throw in another quick disclaimer. Epic cannot and will not make any guarantees about your ability to get results or earn any money within our program, information, tools, or strategies. The plan rewards you for selling products and services to customers. While the opportunity is unlimited, individual results will certainly vary depending upon many factors such as commitment level, individual effort, and marketing skills. Any and all income projections should not be considered as guarantees or projections of your actual earnings or profit. Success with the company results only from active participation and successful marketing efforts, which do require work, commitment, and diligence on your part. Now let's get into how you unlock this compensation plan. The very first thing that you want to do when you're going out and building an epic business is you want to go out and gather 3 customers. 3 people who want to take advantage of the live signals. 3 people who want to take advantage of the university. 3 people who want to learn this valuable skill set of Forex trading. The very next thing that you want to do is go out and gather 3 independent business owners. 3 people who want to make money from the comfort of their home, just like you. Now, once you go out and gather those 3 customers, your service is now free. You get 3, now your service is now free. Next thing that you're going to do is go gather 3 business partners. 1 in leg 1, 1 in leg 2, and 1 in leg 3. To reach the position of Founder 500, which is the first position and the most important position inside of the comp plan, once you have a total of 10 people on your team, and 3 of them were personal. So you have 4 on one team, 4 on another team, and 2 on another team, ladies and gentlemen. This unlocks $125 a week or $500 per month in residual income. Now let's pause here for a second. I want everybody to really, truly think about this. What can $500 a month do in your pocket? What can 500 bucks a month do in your pocket, ladies and gentlemen? That could be a power bill. That could be a water bill. That could be rent. That could be half of rent. That could be half of a mortgage payment. That could be a car note. That could be you accelerating your mortgage. That could be free groceries. What could you do with an extra $500 per month inside of your household? While you're thinking about that, it gets a little bit better. Let's talk about how it gets a little better. The next position is Founder 1000. You've got your 3 customers, you're free. You've got your 3 independent business owners. Now you have a total of 12 people on one team, 12 people on another team, and 6 people on another team. This is going to give you a $250 per week residual income or $1,000 per month. Now, what could you do with an extra $1,000 per month? Now, while you're over there thinking about that and smiling, let's take it one step further. Maybe you are in the mood for making an extra $5,000 a month. You've got your 3 customers and you're free. You got your 3 personal business owners. You have grown your team to 100 people on one team, 100 people on the other team, and 50 people on the other team. And now, ladies and gentlemen, you're making $500 per week or $2,000 per month in residual income, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness, that's a sexy thing. Now, for those people that are here that are saying, well, I want to make more than that. There's ways for you to be able to make more money inside of this compensation plan as you see right in front of your eyes. But feel free to get with the person who put you on this particular Zoom if you're looking to make even more than $5,000 per month, because the opportunity is definitely there for you to do so. So let me walk you through this whole epic strategy of what's happening right now. First things first, you're looking at this presentation in the midst of our pre-launch. This company launched pre-launch on September 1, okay? So from September 1 all the way up until September the 30th, we are in a pre-launch phase. So within this pre-launch phase, ladies and gentlemen, you have the ability to get positioned with the person that introduced you to Epic. Now, our goal originally was to have 40,000 people in our first 30 days. But because the company's name is Epic, we just went ahead and smashed through that very epically, no pun intended. And we had well over 40,000 people join our company within the first 13 days. Now, you also have the ability right now to tap into 4 Zooms happening every single day that are held from a corporate perspective, as well as these Zooms held live Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, every single day of the week as well. On October the 1st, we go live. On October the 1st, we go live. We come out of pre-launch phase and go directly live at that moment, ladies and gentlemen. And for those people that reach the ambassador rank, which we have quite a few people on our team that have already done that, we're gonna have a retreat in Mexico at the end of October. So let's talk about a quick recap of what you're going to actually get and the small investment that it's going to take. First of all, you're going to have full-blown access to our Epic University. Full-blown access, 24-hour a day, 7-day-a-week access to our Epic University, ladies and gentlemen. That's a $497 annual value. You're going to also have access to the daily real-time trading signals. These daily real-time trading signals, ladies and gentlemen, that you are able to execute on your mobile device anywhere in the world. A $497 annual value. Then you've got the 3 daily live sessions. I don't even think you can put a price point on this. To be able to learn over the shoulders of proven 6- and 7-figure income earners inside of the trading arena, which is that's all they do. That's a $497 value. You have access to that right now as we speak in the midst of this pre-launch. You have access to a 24/7 Telegram group that you have access to as well to be able to get your questions answered, as well as access to a private leadership Facebook group with done-for-you webinars helping you close your people, just like the one that you're currently looking at right now, ladies and gentlemen. Well, if you think about it, that's a total value of well over $2,085 if you were to try to do all these things separately. Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to be able to lock in your position tonight. That's called now o'clock, not 9 o'clock, for this limited time offer for $19.99. Now, I know you think that's a misprint. No, it is not a misprint. We are in the midst of pre-launch. You are able to lock in your position right now, get access to all of these things that you see on this slide right now for a one-time investment of $19.95. Now, if you are meditating, pacificating, procrastinating, or any of the above, I'm not sure why, because there's things that you have invested 20 bucks in that gave you zero value in your life. And it's Friday night, and some of you might be enduring some of those things right now as we speak. So I want you to think about how to become epic. First of all, you're going to lock in your position at $19.99 right now. You're going to begin to build and structure your organization by leveraging live and recorded presentations along with the content that we're going to provide you. And then on October the 1st, you have 2 options. On October the 1st, you can have the ability to be able to just upgrade and become a customer. Upgrade to take advantage of the trade signals, take advantage of the university, take advantage of the live Telegram group, take advantage of the Facebook group, and learn while you earn. You can do that at $99 a month, beginning on October the 1st, or if you want to become an independent business owner, you can do so at $124. So as a quick recap, ladies and gentlemen, so we don't forget a thing here. As a quick recap, I want you to keep in mind what you literally have your hands on right now. Full access to the Epic University. Daily real-time trading signals directly to your mobile device. 3 live trading sessions every single day. Your affiliate site, back office, and websites for you to be able to market the Epic opportunity right now. Exclusive 24-hour access to our insider trading groups within Telegram, and access to our private leadership Facebook group, and these done-for-you webinars that you have, and all you have to do is become a master inviter. A $2,085 value, ladies and gentlemen, one-time investment for $19.99. So with that being said, get with the person who put you on this Zoom. Get the rest of your questions answered. Get their link and get locked in ASAP. You have this ability to do so right now all the way up until the end of September. So get positioned, just like the other close to 4,000 people that are on our team have done so, and allow me to be the very first person to welcome you to Epic. Good night for now.
Neat.